The legacy I hope that our firm leaves for the Austin community is one of trust and giving back to the Austin community. I'm an Austinite. This city raised me, and providing legal services to the city of Austin is a way that I can give back to my community.
I think Alex and I were driven to establish our firm because I think it was a time for us where we thought we had the experience, the skill set, and the motivation to really make it happen. We also wanted to do it, for the community of Austin, right? Alex is a multi-generational Austinite. I moved here about 4 years ago with my entire family. And we feel a certain responsibility, I think, to give back to the community that gave us so much.
Well, for me, what inspired me to start the firm with Dan was Dan. From day one, I always knew that I wanted to work with this guy. I saw a lot of similar qualities in him that I do myself, a lot of the same skill set, and a lot of opportunities to learn and become a better attorney from him.
Oftentimes when I meet my clients for the first time, it's at their lowest point, right? They're in pain, they're injured. That's where the challenging part begins, and that's where the work begins, trying to get them back on track, trying to help them. And the rewarding part is when they come out on the other side of that journey at their highest point, when we're able to get their life back on track, and seeing their reaction at that point in their case is really worth it for me, and that's all the motivation I need to continue growing as an attorney.
I was involved in a 10-car pileup caused by an 18-wheeler in November, and there were a lot of things that came out after doing x-rays and MRIs that I didn't even know were happening to my body. Upon speaking to some friends, one of them suggested that I reach out to Alex Matthews. The process working with Baker Matthews Law Collective was really easy. Once I was put in touch with Alex Matthews, he took it from there. He really made it very, very easy for me to continue to live my life and not be burdened with everything that comes after being involved in an accident like this.
How we ensure that making clients whole stays central to our firm's philosophy is reinforcing the definition of civil law. Civil law was designed to make the injured party whole again. And at our firm, we take that personal, and we have made that one of our firm's philosophies.
After their case is resolved, we want clients to remember that they weren't treated as another file number, they weren't treated as a dollar sign. We want them to remember that they were treated with respect and integrity, and they were heard. We want them to remember this experience as a positive in an otherwise negative situation in their life.
We treat clients like human beings. We understand more than anything that they are going through the worst possible situation in their life, and usually at the worst time. But we are going to be there every step of the way and remind them that it's going to be okay. At Baker Matthews Law, we deliver an unexpected service to each of our clients to ensure that each of them are made whole again.